on, guys? Welcome back. This weekend I went out with my buddy Danny and his dad. We took the canoes out of Homestead Bayfront Park and decided to paddle around for a bit to see if we could find a place to fish. No doubt. After a bit of searching, we decided to go up this little creek, which was really nice because not only did it have good mangrove coverage, but it was also pretty deep. It seems like it might have been dredged out, which meant that there were fish swimming up and down. It was kind of like a little fish highway. We took the canoes up as far as we could up the creek and tied up and started fishing. It ended up being pretty productive. We got on a lot of grunts, decent sized grunts, and also on a lot of small mangrove snapper.
Grunt City, baby. Or is that Falcon wanted? That Falcon was eyeballing it. Oh, that's a snapper. How many of these can we keep? 10 per person.
I'm sure there are bigger fish that do swim by there. I think we saw a couple of small snook, and I'm sure that there are bigger ones that hang out, but weren't able to get on any. As far as gear, I was mostly using my Tsunami C-Tech, the 7-footer, which is really nice setup. And I also had my bigger rod with me, but I wasn't able to catch anything to use as bait for the bigger rod, so I ended up just sticking to the live shrimp that we were using. As usual, I'll link all my gear in the description. I'm really happy with both these rods. They've come through pretty clutch, and I do plan to do like in-depth reviews of both of them once I put more time in. But so far, they've served me really well, and I'm really enjoying this setup of having a heavy rod and a light rod. It just works well for what I'm doing, and I'm excited to keep adding to that arsenal in the future. But for now, this is what I'll be using. As usual, guys, thank you so much for keeping up, and I will see you next time.